Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to download and install BlueStacks 5 with Android 13 beta on your Windows PC. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome or any browser of your choice. Next, search for BlueStacks on Google. Click on the official BlueStacks websites. It's usually the first result. Now scroll down a little bit and click on See All version below the download button. Click the second See All versions link to view all BlueStacks versions including Android 13. Now choose the version with Android 13 beta and click download. Once the file is downloaded, open it and click on install to start the setup. BlueStacks will now go through 3 stages: downloading files, extracting them, and installing. Just wait for it to complete. Once the installation is done, click on Launch to open BlueStacks 5. BlueStacks will take a few seconds to load for the first time. Just wait for it to fully open. Now you can open the Play Store to download apps just like on a regular Android device. Sign in with your Google account to start using the Play Store to download any Android app or games. And that is it, you have successfully installed BlueStacks 5 with Android 13 beta. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.